Hi friends, I'm David Lopez, celebrity hairstylist, content creator, and hair extension enthusiast. Welcome to Luxy's YouTube channel. Get ready to learn. If your hair extensions are only lasting a couple of months, then you're probably making one of these mistakes. Mistake number one, not washing your extensions often or often enough. Remember that your extensions are human hair, top quality human hair. But your extensions are not growing from your scalp. Your hair on your scalp has the benefit of getting the natural oils that go from the scalp down to the mid-lengths and the ends. So your extensions need just as much TLC as your own hair does. Cleansing your extensions is very important. You want to make sure that you're using a sulfate-free shampoo to prolong the lifespan of your extensions. You also want to make sure that you're replenishing that moisture. A conditioner is going to be really important. And every now and then, just like with your own hair, you want to put in a mask as well. You can leave the mask in on the extensions overnight, rinse them in the morning for just beautiful, revitalized extensions. Luxy makes all three of these: shampoo, conditioner, and mask, and they are definitely stylist approved. Mistake number two, not using a heat protectant when you're styling your hair. Even on your own hair and on your extensions, remember this is top quality human hair. It still needs that same level of protection that you give your own hair. Using a heat protectant is going to be key in really prolonging the life of your extensions and keeping them looking lush and beautiful as they were on day one. And Luxy does have a heat protectant primer that you'd put in on damp hair before you blow dry. You can use it on your extensions and also your hair to make sure you're protecting your hair from any heat styling. Mistake number three, not storing your clip-ins properly. The amount of times that I've seen people pull out their clip-ins from a Ziploc bag or the bottom drawer of their nightstand, this is not gonna do you very well if you wanna make sure that your clip-ins look just as beautiful on day 60, 90, a year from now as they did on day one. You wanna make sure that you have them in a really beautiful carrying case, something that protects the hair. Luxy does have a carrying case like this, which is great because it also has a hanger that you can then hang in your closet, and great for travel because you can hang it in your closet while you're traveling as well. But a case like this is really important, and I'll tell you why. Because hair is a fabric. And if you're gonna let your hair extensions just sit balled up in a drawer somewhere, they will start ratting up the way that your hair would start ratting up if you were just to never brush it, never comb it, never detangle it, and just leave it in a bun all the time. So it's really important that you protect your investment that you just made with your Luxy clip-in hair extensions, and not only care for them, protect them, but also store them in a way that really keeps that beautiful, luscious hair looking the way you want it to look for as long as possible. Remember that hair is like a fabric, and your extensions are like a really beautiful cashmere. So treat them like the finest fabric that you own, and you'll get the longest life out of them.